It's not expected, though, to bring significant impacts.
We'll see. Chris, what's the latest?
Well, it's a very interesting storm that we're tracking because we have the center of that storm that's just over southern Louisiana, but the convection happening just offshore. So like you saw, lots of sunshine happening over Louisiana, but there are getting some winds and some high waves, especially along the northern Gulf Coast. But at the last check, gusts are at 65 miles an hour. This is moving west-northwest at 7 miles an hour. As we take a look at it, we're seeing the center of that storm moving over New Orleans. However, they're just really dealing with minimal impacts from it across New Orleans. And as it comes in contact with land, we are going to see it weaken significantly as we head into the next 12 to 24 hours. And so tropical storm, especially as it approaches the Texas-Louisiana border, but it's going to very quickly weaken into a tropical depression as we head into the next 12 hours by Thursday evening. So as far as those tropical alerts, the National Weather Service is issuing those tropical storm watches for all of our coastal waters for until tomorrow. That does include some high waves as well as some limited wind damage, but we still could see some coastal erosion out of this as we head into tomorrow afternoon. One thing to note is that even though it's making contact with land, we have high amounts of wind shear, and wind shear is the upper level wind speeds that really do a great job at weakening tropical systems. Tropical systems do not like wind shear. We have quite a bit of it. So as you see it make its way into Houston, it will very well weakening quite quickly, especially as we head into the next 12 to 24 hours. The only thing that we're going to have to keep an eye on are those wind speeds, especially for Galveston. Future track wind gusting up to possibly 45 miles an hour across our coastal areas. We might see some gusty winds and a breezy day here tomorrow, but of course the center of that storm remaining just away from us with more of those minimal impacts for us going into Thursday evening and into Friday morning. So future track showing most of the rain remaining along our coastal areas. So as we take a look at that future track rainfall accumulations, we are expecting this to really continue to bring more of the heavier showers and storms along the coast, especially by Thursday and into Friday. But you're able to see just how unorganized this system becomes as we head into the next 12 to 24 hours, all thanks to the increasing wind shear as well as the land impacts. However, right now we're seeing some of those impacts across Livingston and Cleveland. We do have some isolated showers and some storms moving in across Huntsville. And so as we take a look at that rain chance for this afternoon, we are expecting some of those downpours to make their way closer towards Montgomery, even portions in the Woodlands and portions of Montgomery County. So likely to see more of that storm activity to continue through tonight into tomorrow. So storm chances are very well in the picture, but the good news is that we are expecting some cooler temperatures out of this heading into tomorrow, especially as we look at the next 2 days here. But the thing to also keep an eye on is the heat that we're experiencing right now. We are at 100 degrees all across the board. 101 at Bush Airport, Sugar Land 100, 101 in Conroe. So take it easy out there. Practice those heat safety measures if you are spending time outdoors, because it's feeling as hot as 110 to 115 degrees. Excessive heat warning in place until 8 p.m. tonight, as we're already experiencing the hottest parts of our day. So we're going to see those hot conditions last at least through the 7 p.m. hour. So overnight temps in the 80s, likely to see some more cooler temperatures into tomorrow, but very hot conditions through tomorrow. But that temperature outlook is remaining warmer than normal as we ring in August. And as we take a look at that 10-day high temperature trend, average high for this time of year here in Houston, 95 degrees, but we're going to see temps just a few degrees above that going into the next few days. For your 7-day forecast, high temps topping out in the 70s. We're expecting those temperatures to remain mostly just active in terms of the rain chances, but we are expecting mostly sunny skies as we head into next weekend. Back to you.
All right. Thanks so much, Chris.